Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Form W4 Employees Withholding Certificate. When you get a new job, one of many pieces of paper your employer will ask you to complete is Form W4 Employees Withholding Certificate. This way we fill out this form determines how much tax your employer will withhold from your paycheck. Your employer sends the money it withholds from your paycheck to the Internal Revenue Service along with your name and social security number for references. Your withholding counts towards your annual income tax bill that you calculate when you file your income tax return in April. Employees fill out a W4 form to inform employers how much tax is withheld from their paycheck based on filing status, dependents, anticipated tax returns and deductions. If the form is filled out incorrectly, you may end up owing taxes when you file your return. The IRS simplified the form in 2020. Employees can change their withholding at any time by submitting a new W4 to their employer. A new W4 must be filled out whenever you have a new employer. What is Form W4 Employees Withholding Certificate used for? It is important to complete a W4 correctly because the IRS requires people to pay taxes on their income gradually throughout the year. If you don't withhold enough tax, you could owe a surprisingly larger sum to the IRS in April, plus interest and penalties for underpaying your taxes during the year. At same time, if you withhold too much tax, your monthly budget will be tighter than it needs to be. In addition, you will be giving the government an interest-free loan where you could be saving or investing the extra money and earning a return. Additionally, you won't get your overpaid taxes back until the following April when you file your tax return and get a refund. At that point, the money may feel like a windfall and you might use it less wisely than if the money had been received gradually with each paycheck. If you don't submit Form W4 at all, the IRS requires your employer to withhold your wages as though you were a single with no other adjustments. How to fill out Form W4 Employees Withholding Certificate? IRS redesigned Form W4 in 2020 and did away with the ability to claim personal allowances. Previously, a W4 came with a personal allowances worksheet to help you calculate what allowances to claim. Answering the shows your tax situation so that you can instruct your employer to withhold the correct amount of money from your paycheck. You only have to fill out a new W4 form if you start a new job in 2021 or you want to change the amount withheld from your pay. The more allowances you claimed on Form W4, the less your employer would withhold from your paycheck. The fewer allowances you claim, the more your employer will withhold. All pages of W4 are available on IRS website. This form is available on IRS website, so no need to worry. All revised form aims to make the process of determining how much an employer should withhold easier. If you are single and have a spouse who doesn't work, don't have any dependents, only have income from one job, and aren't claiming tax credits or itemized deduction other than the standard deduction, filing out a W4 form is simple. As of 2020, all you have to do is to provide your name, address, social security number and filing status, then sign and date of the form. You can see in the step 1, enter personal information. Here you have to provide your name, address, social security number and your filing status, whether you are single, MFJ, MFS, qualifying widow or head of household. Now, estimating your taxes in more complex situations. If your tax scenario is more complicated, you will have to provide information on dependents, your spouse earnings, income from other job, any tax credit and deductions you plan to claim. The IRS recommends using an online tax withholding estimator to make sure the right amount is being withheld from your pay. The IRS publication 150 meanwhile is used by employers to figure out how much federal income tax to withhold from employees' paycheck. You can use Form W4 to request additional money be withheld from each paycheck, which you should do if you expect to owe more in taxes than your employer would normally withhold. You might ask your employer to withhold an additional sum if you earn self-employment income on the side and want to avoid making separate estimated taxes for that income. You can only use W-4 form to prevent your employer from withholding any money at all from your paycheck, but only if you are legally exempt from withholding because you had no tax liability for the previous year and you also expect to have no tax liability for the current year. When to file a new W-4 form, employees withholding certificate. In general, your employer will not send Form W-4 to the IRS after using it to determine your withholding. The company will file it. You can change your withholding at any time by submitting a new W-4 to your employer. Situations requiring a change to your W-4 include getting married or divorced, having a child, picking up a second job. You might also want to submit a new W-4 form if you discover that you withheld too much or too little the previous year when you are preparing your annual tax return and you expect your circumstances to be similar for the current tax year. Your W-4 change will take effect within the next 1 or 3 PX. Special consideration of Form W-4. If you start a job in the middle of the year and were not employed earlier of that year, here a tax wrinkle that can save your money. If you will be employed no more than 45 days for the year, request in writing that your employer use the part year method to compute your withholding. The basic withholding formula assumes full year employment. So without using the part year method, you have too much withheld and will have to wait until tax time to get the money back. So guys, you can see there are 5 steps to fill out this form W-4. First step I have already discussed. Enter your personal information. Then step 2, multiple jobs spouse works. If your spouse work or you have another source of income, then you have to provide here the details or you have to tick here. Then step 3, claiming dependents. If your total income will be $200,000 or less than $400,000 if filing MFJ. Also multiply the number of qualifying children under age 17 by $2,000. Multiply the number of dependents by $500. Step 4, optional other adjustments, other income deduction and extra withholding. Step 5, you have to sign here. Also, employer need to sign here. And the first date of employment, need to provide here the information EIN. Now I will show you the same in our software Drake. See, the form is flowing in our software W-4 employees withholding certificate. You can see the everything what I have discussed in the form. It is just a replica of that form in the software as well. You just have to read all the important information like to limit financial information provided to the employer in step 2 through 4. Use the tax withholding estimator. You can use the tax withholding estimator for your calculation part as well. This is tax withholding estimator. Coming to the software, so you have to tick here which filing status you are filing your tax return. Step 2, multiple jobs. Step 3, claiming dependents. Step 4, other adjustments. You just have to report everything same what you have, all the information, and it will replicate the same in the form as well. So coming back to our discussion, so basically what is W-4? Form W-4 is employees withholding certificate is filled out by an employee to instruct the employer how much to withhold from your paycheck. The IRS requires that individual pay income taxes gradually throughout the year. Do I claim, or how to fill out a new W-4 form? If you are single and have a spouse who does not work, don't have any dependent, have only income from one job, aren't claiming the tax credits, provide your name, address, social security number, filing status, sign and provide the information on dependents, your spouse, earning income from other jobs, and tax credits and deductions you plan to use. The IRS has an online tax withholding estimator, which I already showed you, to help you to determine the amount to be withheld from your pay. Why is the 2020 W4 form different from 2019 filing decision? Many people who got tax refund in the previous year found that they had to pay taxes when they filed their 2018 tax return. The 2017 tax reform law reduced tax rates for many, but the IRS also reduced the amount of tax withheld from wages to reflect the tax law changes. Thus, many people did not have enough tax withheld. The IRS introduced a new form W4 in 2020 to try to resolve the problem. Now the W4 form is no longer used to claim withholding allowances. This is the new part in W4. What is the difference between a W2 and W4? W4 tells the employer how much to withhold from the employee, and W2 however tells the IRS what the employee earned the previous year. Small business owners and large business are also required to form W2. Every employee must file a W4. So what is the bottom line of the form? That your employer should provide a W4 form when you are hired. Please take some time and fill out W4 properly so that you will avoid having any tax penalty at the time of preparing your taxes. We will keep as much of your earnings as legally possible. So guys, this is all about Form W4. I believe you have understood. Goodbye.